Hello there, welcome to Blink and Beep. In this video, we will quickly see how to share your mobile data and even Wi-Fi using Bluetooth tethering. For this demo, I will be using my Redmi Note 12 Pro for Bluetooth tethering, and on the receiving end, I have my OnePlus 6, a very old model phone where I will be testing the internet connection and speed. So basically, this Bluetooth tethering must be supported in almost all Android phones irrespective of the model and the OS version. Let's get started. First step is to pair these phones through Bluetooth. Let me do that quickly. If your devices are already paired, you can skip this step. After pairing, make sure you are connected to the device. Now I will enable Bluetooth tethering on my Redmi Note 12 Pro. So go to Settings, Portable Hotspot and Bluetooth tethering. And surprisingly, that is all we have to do. Now we open the browser in the OnePlus 6 and search for speed test. And run the speed test to check the connection speed. As we see, it is not efficient as a hotspot which uses Wi-Fi connection. The speed is very low. Let me switch from mobile data to Wi-Fi on my Redmi Note 12 and redo the test again. Still not great, low speed only. That's the downside of Bluetooth tethering. So that's it for this video. Thank you. Bye bye.